well?
All is well.
Awesome. So tell me a little bit about yourself and this beautiful site.
I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Videa, and together we represent the beautiful Strawberry Fields Together. As the Secretary of Strawberry Fields Together, I'm the person you call to get all the information about your reservation, booking your tours, and your day pass.
So why should people come to this site?
Alright, so we have the perfect getaway for you. Our cottages are so spaced. They are detached cottages where more than one family can come over. We have 14 rooms in total. It's perfect for social distancing, and we have a beautiful beach cove that can accommodate different families having your picnic on the lawn and all of that. And we offer tours to Black Sand Beach and waterfalls. It's very beautiful, just an hour and a half walk to get there, or you can book a boat ride to get there in just 20 minutes.
At Strawberry Patch Cafe, we catered for everyone.
Meals varied from vegan, vegetarian, and meat lovers.
We also do pizzas and sundaes on our wood-burning oven. Call in your order now.
When you call at Strawberry Fields Together to book, my recommendation would be the Loveness. You can't get any cozier than the Loveness. It's a beautiful one-bedroom, very spacious. Outside shower, bathtub under the stars. You can't go wrong with that choice. It opens up to the ocean, beautiful scenery, magnificent sunshine in the early mornings, not to mention when the moon rises. Oh, the Loveness, your choice for your getaway.
St. Mary. St. Mary is well known for being one of the first sections of the island to be occupied by the Spaniards. In 1655, after the English captured Jamaica from the Spanish, the area around the town of Puerto Santa Maria became known as St. Mary. Port Maria, the current capital of the parish, was the second town built by the Spaniards on the island. After emancipation, free villages were formed in St. Mary, but the parish still basically remained one with big estates. At the beginning of the 19th century, there were 63 sugar factories in the parish, but by the end of the century, only 3 existed. With the decline of sugar, banana cultivation took its place. In the late 1930s, St. Mary played a prominent role in the creation of Jamaica Producers Association, which was set up to prevent the continuation of the monopoly on bananas.
Hey, Mr. Norman, what are you cooking today?
Hello, JABration family. Well, I'll be preparing some ground provision with Callaloo today. I like banana, yam, cocoa, sweet potato. I'll serve with a glass of orange juice, freshly made. That's it for now.